Happy Halloween! What's a jack-o'-lantern? Have you ever seen one? I'm going to show you how to make a jack-o'-lantern today. Let's start! First, we need a pumpkin. There are a lot of pumpkins here. Let's pick one. Here is our pumpkin. Let's take it home to prepare our jack-o'-lantern. Put the pumpkin on a table and cut off the top with a knife to make a big hole. Do it slowly. Go all around the pumpkin. Now take off the top. Cut away the extra pieces with the knife to make it look better. Make it nice and round. Take your time. Do it carefully. Smooth the edges with the knife. Now the top looks perfect. Use a spoon to take out the inside of the pumpkin. Put everything in a bowl. Can you see the seeds? There are so many seeds inside. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Keep going. Take it all out. The pumpkin is getting empty. Wow, look at that. This is hard work, but it's fun. The pumpkin is clean now and ready for a scary face. Now let's use a black marker to draw a scary face. 2 eyes, a nose, and a big mouth. The eyes and the nose are ready. Now we are finishing the mouth. Done! Now it's time to cut the face with a knife. Be careful! The nose is already cut and 1 eye is finished. We are cutting the second eye. Slowly, slowly. Yes, almost done. Now the eyes are ready. Now it's time to cut the big mouth. This is the scariest part. The mouth is taking shape. Slow and careful. Piece by piece, it's opening up. It's getting bigger and bigger. Look at that scary mouth. Almost finished. It looks amazing. Our jack-o'-lantern is almost ready. Let's make it even better. Make the edges nice and clean. Let's fix it even more. Keep going. Just a bit more. Almost there. Yes, that's it. Now let's fix the other eye. Much better. Finished. Let's light the candles. 3 little candles for our spooky jack-o'-lantern. Carefully put them inside the pumpkin. One. 2. 3. Put the top back on the pumpkin. And here is our jack-o'-lantern. It looks amazing. Happy Halloween. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.